Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to be trying to talk about how to create a team tournament on the Swiss Manager. We're creating a team tournament. We're going to be imputing the players into the team tournament. We are going to be pairing each team round by round, and we'll just try to just pair them to round 5, and we'll try to just bring out the results for everyone to understand exactly how to create and pair a Swiss team tournament event. So for starters, let us look into, you go to File, you click on New Tournament, and here is the part where you're going to click on the Swiss system for teams, called Swiss system for teams, and you click on OK. So in this video tutorial, I'm actually going to start with let's look at JJC Team Chess Tournament. So let us do this way. So this is JJC. So we have to just fill this JJC Team Chess Tournament. Okay, let's give the organizers JJC, the website, blah blah blah, the time control. Let's say it's just rapid 15 minutes plus 10 seconds at a time. 10 seconds. That's the time control. The tournament director, that is Mr. Jake. Mr. Jake. Let's say maybe Jake is the tournament director. We have the chief arbiter. Mr. Chief arbiter. Let's use Chief Wales. Yes, that'll be me. Chief arbiter. Then you use the country. Let's say country. We can use maybe. Let's probably use maybe Albania or Algeria. Any country you like. Okay, the country that you are in actually. If the country is Algeria, then you click on Algeria. Okay, the next thing is you just click on the rounds, and number of rounds, you press it there, 5 rounds. Then you go for the date for the tournament. Just pick 19th, and you're sorted with the date, so you're good with the date. And the next thing you just need to do is just it's not a rated event, so just select 0 for FIDE rated and national rated. Then now you go to the number of boards. Now this is where you will tell them the number of players that are playing. For the sake of this video, let's say the total number of players playing in this tournament is 4. So 4 per team. So 4 per team. Team just 4 players. So you can decide to play 3, 1 reserve, or you can decide to play 2 reserves, but that's your choice. So but we're using 4, and maybe 4 playing 4, all 4's playing. Then you use you go to the time control, which is rapid. Then you go to the pairing according to, use match points, please. Use the match points for the pairing according to. And let's leave the 2 points for a team that has a bye. That's it. Then just click OK. And we're good from this page. So here is where we'll start imputing the names of the team. So let us start with, we're going to be inputting 10 teams for starters, just 10 teams. So let's start with team, we're going to start into team A. Yes, team A. Then go next to team B, team C. And that's how we're going to type for all the teams that we want that have registered for the tournament. So let's start 10 teams. Just see as we type 10 teams. We're going to start from team A to team J. Okay, now that we've typed from team A to team J, that's 10 teams total. The next thing we have to do is to impute the names of the players into the teams. So you click on OK. Here we go. So this is the part where we start inputting the names of the players. So you click on team A. You have to click on each of those teams. So team A is highlighted. Click on team A. Then go to the last name button and type the names of the player. Remember that 4 players are playing for each team. So you're going to type the 4 players, their names on each of the teams. So James Brown. I'm just picking names at random, just anything that comes to the top of my head. Apologies about that, so I'm putting it in there. And next, we've typed the 4 for team A. Notice the board orders, that's board 1, board 2, board 3, board 4. And now we can dash for that of team B. We input names. So we click on team B, then we come back to input the names for the players of team B. So we click on the last name, and I'm going to be doing this for the remaining 10 teams. Yes, and that's exactly how we've imputed, the 40 players. That's four players per team for just 10 teams there. And definitely, all we need to do is just click on OK, and everything is set. So the next thing we need to do is to just start pairing as fast as possible. Just click on pairings, click on computer pairings. It's very simple, and you see from here, just click on start pairings. Just click on start, and the pairing is done for round one. And you click OK. Then you can just come to lists and click on um, team pairings and results. So this is the team pairing. You see, this is how you're going to break it out. It's a bring out team A versus team F, team G versus team B, team C versus team H, team I versus team D, team E versus team J. So you have to just line them out in that order. 4 versus 4 on the chessboard. So once they are done, now this is where you have to input the results. Just click on input and enter results. And from input enter result, all you need to do is to just type, for example, let's assume team A, only one player won, and team F, 3 players won. That means it's 1-3. The score was 1-3. So you just click on 1, and the other one will fill up to 3. Now, team G, maybe the game ended 4-0. Team G won, team B 4-0. So just click on 4, so it fills 4-0. If team C won, let's say 2-2, let's say it's a draw. Let's say 2-2 draw. Just click on 2-2, and it's a draw. So team I versus team D, let's say it was 2.5, 1.5, and finally, let's say the last one was just half 3.5. So that's it. That's the score for the first round. And after the first round, we can easily just after saving, just click on pair, click parents, computer parents, and it's going to go to round 2 immediately, and you can start the pairings for round 2. Note that this pairing is just pairing a team. None has talked about the boards, that is the players, the individual games the players have played. So don't worry, just team play, no problem. So um, we can do the whole team. If you just want team play tournament, you can just do the pairing, put the results as the team plays for the whole 5 rounds. And if you just want to know team, you are just giving team prizes. If you are giving team prizes, just continue. Be my guest. Just continue. Just round 3 is where's round 3? Um, this is round 2, right? Good. So let's input results for round 2. Input, enter results. And for round 2, hold on a second, I'm sorry, let's click OK here. Now good, input, enter results. So round 2's result will come out. Good. So here we can just type, okay, if team F won round 2, team F1, we can say maybe, oh, sorry. Oh, just randomly, I'm just picking scores randomly actually. And that's it. That's round 2. Round 2 is over. They just click on pairings, click on computer pairings, and you quickly go to round 3. And round 3, you just do for round 3 also same thing for round 3. So when same 3, this one is okay. Just input, enter results, round 3. So round 3 results, same thing. You can have 4-0 here, 3-1 here, 3.5 here, round 2 here, and half here. So round 5. This round 3, yes, good. Input for round pairing. You do pairing, sorry, apologies, pairing. Then you go for round 4. Input enter results. round 4. And finally, pairings for round 5. See, just the same, just simple process. Just around 5, you just input result also. And it's interesting that tournament has ended. 5 rounds. 5 rounds is complete. And all you need to do is just go to list and list standings, and it's going to give you the team standings. And you can notice here right now that Team High was the winner. They played 5 matches and they won all their they played 5 games. I mean 5 matches, yes, and they won all their 5 games. No draws, no losses, and the total match now. This is game points. The total number of game points they had was 16, and the match points was 10. Now, this is a problem. This is not correct. The order should be match point first. That is the tiebreak. Well, it is not like it's not correct. It depends on the organizers. But it is always better to use the match point first as the tiebreak, the first tiebreak match points. Then the second tiebreak should now be the game point. So how do we do that? Just go to input, set up tournament, go to um, order, no tie breaks, sorry, tie breaks. Then you go to, you click on match points, then match point just -1 for match points. So match points goes up, then game points comes down, and that's it. That's enough. That's what you need to do. Go back to general, click OK. And if I go to the standings right now, click on standings, you see it is going to be different. So we have the match points first. So team I 10 over 10, 8 over 10, 6 over 10. And in the case of these two having 5, 5, 5, then game points came first. Team A came first, then that's fourth, while Team C came second. While in this situation, we have actually the same number of points for 4, 10 and a half, 10 and a half. If you have other ways of breaking the tie, then you use it so that it will go further and you will be able to have the perfect person for. Of let me see if I can just work that out immediately. File, I mean input, set up tournaments, tie breaks. Now let's add one more tie break. Let's use SB. Let's use SB using game points. If we use SB using game points, and let's put this one up here instead of result of groups, according to notepad, and use this. No game points. Good. So let's use this, and let's see the difference, please. That's the next order list standings. And you will see here now it's clear. You see, using the SB, using this Sonnenberger, you realize that team A for clear first. Now here, using SB as a second criteria, once this one is equal, the second criteria means team G is the winner because they have 96 SB, and team F had 89 SB. So that's it. That's how you just break every time breakable in this kind of scenario. Let's talk about round one. When we enter the result of round one, now is the time to enter the result of the players. In this kind of situation, if we have tournaments whereby you have to give board one, board two, board three gold, silver, and bronze medal, so you have to have individual scores of these players. So here, after he's imputing the result of the team, then you go and input the result of the players. You will notice here that Team A had just lost one game. I mean, they lost 3 games. So it was 1-3, 4-0, 2-2. So here we just go to players. So let's say it was James Brown that lost. We just say James Brown. I mean, James Brown won, and others lost. So that means every other one here. So you click on 0-1, and that's it. That's done for Team A. Team B. Team B, I think it was 4-0. If we go teams, yes, 4-0. So 4-0, all the players here won 1-1-1. So here, Team C, it was 2-2, I believe. So let's just give half, half, off, half, all true. And Team 1, you see, if there is a mistake with the result of Team A, I mean, of this individual and the total team, there will be something like this. Let me show you. Let's say. See, detail unequals totals. That means team here was what? 2.5, 1.5. So there is no way 4 of them could have won. So what we have to do is to make sure it tallies with 2.5, 1.5. So here, maybe it was half half, and go back. Here it was 0-1, and you see it's going to be okay. That's what it is. So here finally, let us put 1-0. What was the total score, please, so that I will not make the same mistake? Okay, let's say half here. First game was half, and every other body 1. So you see, everything is correct. Now we can now move to pair the second round. Select pairings, computer pairings, and second round. Okay. Next here, we just do the same thing. Input, enter result. Sorry. Let's click OK here. Input, enter result, and you do the same thing. So I'm going to do the same thing for all the rounds, so that I won't waste our time. Thing that's round 1 to round 5, and now just quickly put inputs, in lists, and click on standings. If you see the standings right now, this is the same standings, but this is the team standings: match points, game points, book codes, SB, then whatever that works. That's to give the team medals. Now if you want to give individual medals, this way, now you go to list and click on board pairings and results, and here, oh sorry, apologies, list, board list is board list that you're going to use. Board list. So board list, you're actually using points, you're using book codes, and you can probably click on OK. All boards, please. You click OK, and it's going to bring everything out. And these are the winners. Board 1, you can see this is board 1. We have first, second, third from different teams. You see, and board 2. This is gold, silver, bronze. Board 2, okay, top where gold, silver, bronze. Those were the players registered on board 2. And board 3, Mudakeke Abubu and this. Board 3, and finally go to board 4, Yolu Kunle Kosovo. That's how you select the players that won the gold, silver, bronze from each of the board list. That's the board from the board orders. Okay, if you want to include more teams, for example, on the second day you want to include more teams, what you need to do is just click on input, enter teams. That's all. Enter team. Now we have team high. Click on team high. Then team high. Then you can have team J. We have team I already. Let's say team K, and now we have team L, and that is the end of Solomon Grundy. Then you click on OK. You've added more teams. If you look at it, input, enter players. So you have team K and team L. So team K does not have any players. You just click on team K. You see no players are there. Then you can include their players. So there you have all the names that you need to have from team K, team L. That's it. So that is how you just click on OK, and you're good. You can pair and start doing the same thing that we've done from the beginning to end. I believe with this little video, you've understood how to make a team tournament and how to go on from there. Thank you very much.